Is your iPhone camera blurry? Here's how to fix it in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A blurry iPhone camera is usually caused by dirty lenses, wrong camera settings, focus issues, or a software glitch. Let's fix it step by step. Wipe the camera lens with a clean microfiber cloth. Remove fingerprints, dust, or smudges. Avoid using liquids or rough fabric. Restart your iPhone to fix temporary camera glitches that cause blurry photos. Open the camera app. Tap on the subject to force the camera to focus. Wait until the focus square locks. Avoid digital zoom, especially in low light. Switch back to 1x zoom for the sharpest photos. Digital zoom reduces image quality. Make sure no filters or effects are enabled. Filters can reduce sharpness and cause blur. Low light causes blurry photos. Move to a brighter area or turn on the flash when needed. Go to Settings General, then tap Software Update. Install updates to fix camera bugs. If the issue continues, go to Settings General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then reset all settings. This won't delete your data. If photos remain blurry, the camera lens or sensor may be damaged, especially after a drop. Remove thick cases or lens protectors that may interfere with camera focus. And that's it. These steps should fix a blurry iPhone camera. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.